Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen and today I'm going to give you a really great set of football drills that you can run with your team. It doesn't matter if you're running football teams or flag football teams, it's going to work, so stay tuned. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Allen. On this channel I show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you some 7-on-5 football drills that you can run with your team. So this is basically a set of 5-on-7 and 7-on-5. And why would you want to run this? The reason is by having more offensive players versus your defense, it's going to make your defense want to think faster and also think harder about how to defend either their zones if they're playing a zone defense or a man-to-man defense coverage, and know when to switch off of players in case there's a player open who is in a lot better of a location to receive a pass. Also, in reverse, if you're having the 5 players against 7 defensive players, you're going to be having 7 defensive players, which is going to be making it really hard for your offensive players to pass the ball downfield because obviously there's more defenders. But the reason why you would do this is for your wide receivers to be able to kind of juke out, to fake out those defenders to try and get himself open a lot easier. But also it's going to make your quarterback really think and really think hard and skill-wise and everything to make sure that his passes are on point. Let's get down to the clipboard and let me show you what this looks like. So if you're running a 5-on-5 flag football team, you have 5 offensive players and you can be running your offense. Meanwhile, your 7 players, they could be playing man-to-man and then have 2 players who are guarding kind of like a zoned area. Or you can have quite literally a 4-3 zone and have them go at it. So there's a few different ways here. So we could have like player 4 running out. Let's say that's his route. Let's say we have player 3 and saying like his route is 5 yards up and out to the right side. We have player 1 who gets that ball. We're going to be having, let's say it's a non-blocking league, player 5 going downfield, player 2 going downfield. Okay, so we have to try and find the player who's open, and they're going to be juking out and faking out their defenders trying to get open. Even though this is their route, if there's an open spot downfield, let's say player 4 is overplaying, player 4 needs to find that open piece of field. Even though that's not his route, he needs to get open. So after he finishes his route, he can cut back down and he may be open to go then downfield. So it really makes your players think about, oh crap, I'm finished my route. I need to go run something to get open. I can't just stand here and do nothing. So that makes them think afterwards. And it's the same thing the other way around, very similar, where you have, let's say the red team has the ball, and now we have to make sure that, let's say we're guarding in a zone. So let's say we have a 1-3-1 zone. They have to make sure that they're guarding their zone, and if there's multiple players in their zone, they need to be right between them, making sure that they're watching both of those players, but also watching the quarterback as well to know if he's going to be throwing it in his direction and where he's going to be throwing it. Now, I hope that these drills help your team. If they do, let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys again in our next video, and I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos. Let me know below.